To which species are we most closely related? Who traveled further down the tree of life with us before splitting off? Sometimes it's a tricky question, like which is more human, a crab or a tuna? You might think crab because it's got little hands like us, but you'd be wrong. Biologists classify organisms based on how recently two species last shared a common ancestor. The more recent it was, the more closely related the two species and the more DNA they have in common. We look for shared traits that only evolved one time. Things like cell structure, how we obtain energy, hearts, nervous systems, certain bones. We know about when they happen and they all help us paint a picture. Mammals and fish last shared a common ancestor that had a backbone. Arthropods like the crab jumped off our line well before that at an ancestor who came before the spine did. Hands don't tell us very much because they evolved multiple times. Tuna wins. Weirdly, fungi have a cell protein called chitin, which is not found in plant cells, but is found in certain animals, like the shell of that crab. This tells us that we last had a common ancestor with them, and the mushrooms on your pizza are more closely related to you than they are to the peppers next to them.